Disk defragmentation is the rearranging of fragmented data so your disks and drives can work more efficiently. Fragmentation makes your hard disk do extra work that can slow down your computer. Removable storage devices such as USB flash drives can also become fragmented. Hey guys, welcome back to the computing channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to perform a disk defragmentation. But before we continue, show your support to this channel by hitting the subscribe button, like our video, share our video, turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video, and watch until the end. Without wasting time, let's go to our video. Double-click Recycle Bin. Go to Computer. Navigate for the hard disk you want to fragment. Click it and go to Properties. Now, go to the Tools tab. Go to Defragment. Choose the disk you want to defragment and click Analyze. Wait for the analyzing process to finish. When the analyzing process has finished, now click Defragment Disk. Wait for the defragment process to finish. Now you are done. Guys, that's what we had for you. Please comment what video you want.